Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hawthorn Suites by Wyndham Williston. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Hawthorn Suites by Wyndham Williston. Featuring a kitchenette with a stove in every room, this Williston, North Dakota hotel is 13 miles from Williston Basin International Airport. Free laundry facilities are provided, and a restaurant is on site. Free Wi-Fi and a flat-screen TV are included in every room at Hawthorn Suites by Wyndham Williston. Kitchenware available in each guest room along with coffee makers, 2 stovetop burner, ironing facilities and microwave convection oven as well. A hot tub is available to all guests at Hawthorn Suites. Guests can work out in the fitness center or make use of the business center. Big Willy's Saloon serves your favorite drinks and has the option for specialty pizzas and light fare sandwiches. Guests can enjoy a beer or cocktail in the casual atmosphere. Williston State College is 2 miles away. Eagle Ridge Golf Club can be reached in 7 minutes drive. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.